Welcome to Tech Snacks. Today we are looking at the Xiaomi AirDots Pro. I'm sure there will be lots of questions regarding sound quality, latency when playing games or YouTube video clips, and how effective the noise cancellation is. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to catch our follow-up videos. Looking at the box, one of the features of the AirDots Pro is that it has noise cancellation, whereas the non-Pro version did not. But surprisingly, the Pro version here uses Bluetooth 4.2, but the earlier AirDots uses the newer Bluetooth 5 instead. And if you are wondering about the difference, Bluetooth 5 gives you better battery life and range. The AirDots Pro now uses a Type-C port to charge instead of the micro USB on the regular AirDots. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. Of course, we have the two earpieces, the storage case, which is also used to charge the headphones, a Type-C cable, a manual with traditional and simplified Chinese, plus English, and 3 sets of earbuds gels in different sizes. That's all the items in the box. The earbuds look very much like the Apple AirPods in terms of design, and it's made of quality hard plastic with a matte surface. Here's the microphone, which I assume are used for both calls and the noise cancelling feature. The large black dot is the IR proximity sensor, which detects when the earpiece has been removed from your ear. And the music play stops automatically when you take the earbuds off. The charge connectors are at the bottom and is used to charge the earpieces when placed in the case. It's pretty hard to pick up with the camera, but there are printings on the earbuds to indicate left and right. Next, we have the carrying case, which also has an indicator LED light at the front, a Type-C port at the bottom used for charging, and a function button on the right for pairing. The case is made of quality plastic with a fairly solid feel in hand, and the surface is matte just like the earbuds. The overall fit, it feels like a well-constructed case. But one problem I have noticed right away is that the rounded earpieces are fairly hard to take out from the case. The plastic is slippery, so you almost had to pinch several times in order to get them out. And personally, I think this is a design oversight on Xiaomi's part. But once inserted, the earbuds are held in place with a magnet and won't fall out easily. The indicator light on the earbuds are now white instead of red on the regular AirDots, giving the Pro version a cleaner look, in my opinion. And to give you a sense of how big the AirDots Pro case is, here is a comparison with an Altoids case, and here is the Pro compared to the previous AirDots case. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any questions you'd like me to cover in our next video, please leave your comments below, and I'll make sure to cover them as much as possible. Cheers!